Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between the brand new Apple AirPods 4 and the Anker Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro. Both promise to elevate your listening experience with impressive features. The AirPods 4 claims to offer seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, spatial audio, and a design that fits comfortably for most users. On the other hand, the Liberty 4 Pro boasts customizable sound profiles, active noise cancellation, and longer battery life, while keeping all things affordable. But how do they stack up against each other? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two earbuds and see which one is best for your needs and style. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design. Both the AirPods 4 and the Liberty 4 Pro really come from different schools of thought. The AirPods stick with that familiar open-ear design without the silicone ear tips, and while they've improved the fit compared to the previous versions by studying a bunch of different ear shapes, it's still a bit of a gamble for some people. If you're lucky enough to have the right ear shape, the AirPods will feel incredibly light with just 4.3 grams, almost like they're barely there. On the flip side, Anker's Liberty 4 Pro goes the more traditional route with in-ear tips. You get different ear tip sizes to choose from, which means you can find a fit that's secure and comfortable for longer sessions. Also, that in-ear design offers better passive noise isolation right out of the gate. These buds are slightly heavier at 5.5 grams, but unless you're really sensitive, you probably won't feel the extra weight. So, the AirPods have an edge in weight, but the Liberty 4 Pro's secure fit makes them the winner here for comfort and noise isolation. Moving on to the durability. The AirPods 4 comes with an IP54 rating for dust resistant, and it can handle splashes. On the other hand, the Liberty 4 Pro isn't as tough with an IPX5 rating, meaning they can resist water jets, but don't promise any dust protection. So, if you're planning to take your earbuds on a dusty hike, AirPods might be the safer bet. But for everyday splashes or a bit of rain, both should hold up just fine. And when we look at the charging cases, it's another story of contrast. The AirPods case is sleek, small, and classic in its white finish. It's great if you're on the go and don't want to feel weighed down. But the Liberty 4 Pro case is a bit bulkier, with a sliding cover and even a small touch display to check battery levels and tweak some settings. So if you're someone who likes a little flair and extra control, the Liberty 4 Pro case offers more. When it comes to the features, the AirPods 4 are tailor-made for the Apple ecosystem. Thanks to the H2 chip, switching between your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is smooth and seamless. You've got spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, adaptive EQ that tunes the music based on your ear shape, and even personalized volume that adjusts automatically to your environment. It's all very Apple, making everything feel automatic and easy. On the other hand, the Liberty 4 Pro fights back with customization. Anker gives you a companion app where you can adjust about everything, such as EQ presets, custom sound profiles, and more. They even have a hearing test feature that tailors the sound to your ears. While their version of spatial audio isn't as refined as Apple's, it's still a cool feature. Plus, the Liberty 4 Pro includes wind noise reduction and an airplane mode that adjusts ANC based on air pressure. So, if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem, the AirPods 4 are unbeatable in how they sync with your devices. But for those who love tweaking settings and having a say in how their earbuds sound, the Liberty 4 Pro takes the crown here with its versatility. Now, let's talk about the noise cancellation. The standard AirPods 4 doesn't have active noise cancellation. You can get a pricier version with ANC. But that's not what we're comparing today. So if you're using the standard AirPods, you're relying purely on that open-ear design, which is great for awareness, but not so much for blocking out sound. You'll definitely hear the world around you. In contrast, the Liberty 4 Pro not only gives you passive noise isolation, thanks to its ear tips, but also throws in ANC as a standard feature. It's adjustable through the app or directly on the case's touch display. And ANC does a solid job in real-life testing, reducing low-frequency noises by up to 30 dB, which is pretty impressive at this price point. The Liberty 4 Pro even offers a transparency mode for when you want to let outside noise in, and it's customizable too. This round is an easy win for the Liberty 4 Pro. If noise isolation is a priority for you, Anker's got you covered. Let's shift gears to sound quality. The AirPods 4 deliver a balanced sound profile. The mids and highs are clear, but since they don't have that in ear seal, they lack that deep, booming bass you'd expect from earbuds with a closed design. They're great for casual listening, especially if you're more into vocals, podcasts, or acoustic tracks. On the other hand, the Liberty 4 Pro leans a bit more into bass, which some users will love, especially if you're into genres like hip-hop or EDM. But where the Liberty 4 Pro really shines is customization through the app. You can tweak the sound exactly how you like it, from heavy bass to a more neutral tone. Whether you prefer a flat sound or something more personalized, the Liberty 4 Pro has your back. Out of the box, they deliver a punchier sound than the AirPods 4. So for audiophiles or anyone who loves playing with EQ settings, Anker's Liberty 4 Pro comes out on top here. In terms of battery life, the AirPods 4 will give you about 6 hours and 21 minutes of continuous playback, with up to 30 hours total when you include the charging case. Quick charge is a nice feature too, with 5 minutes in the case providing about an hour of playback. On the other hand, the Liberty 4 Pro is packing even more juice. You get up to 7.5 hours of playback with ANC on, and if you turn ANC off, the case can stretch that to a massive 40 hours. And their fast charging is next level. 5 minutes in the case gives you up to 4 hours of listening time, which is a game changer when you're in a hurry. As for my final verdict, both the AirPods 4 and Liberty 4 Pro are priced similarly around $129, which is pretty affordable for what you're getting. But with the AirPods 4, that price doesn't include ANC. You'll need to pay more for the version with that feature. On the other hand, the Liberty 4 Pro gives you ANC as standard, plus all those extra customization features through the app. So the Liberty 4 Pro offers more features and better value at this price point. If you're all in on the Apple ecosystem and prioritize seamless integration, the AirPods 4 are a great choice. But if you want more control, better sound customization, and longer battery life, the Anker Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro is tough to beat. Let me know which one you're leaning toward.